Okay, 5C. On Sunday, the cafe prepared 80 muffins, 25 taro pies, and 120 cookies. This information is represented by the matrix G equals to 80, 25, 120. If H equals to GD, find matrix H and explain what the first element in H represents. Okay, so we are given that H is equal to GD. And G is actually 80, 25, 120. Okay, and your D is 90, 50, 0.25 is given, so we just copy from the question. 220, 208, so 60, 80, 0.5. Okay, you work it out. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 1 row, 3 column, 1 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So your answer will be a 1 by 3 matrix, which means your answer will be something like that. Okay. And I leave the multiplication to you. There will be 3 answers here. What I'm interested in is what would be the meaning of H, because in this question you're supposed to explain what the first element in H represents. So before that, let's take a look at this matrix D. Matrix D represents the amount of each type of ingredient needed to make each type of pastry. So this is flour, this is sugar, this is egg, this is for muffin, this is for taro pie, and this is for cookies. So this matrix D represents the amount of different types of ingredient needed for each of the pastry. And the matrix G represents the number of cookies prepared on Sunday. So what does H represent? So these are the question mark. Repeat. D represents is a matrix. D is a matrix representing the amount of each type of ingredient needed for each type of the cookie. G represents the number of each type of cookies prepared on Sunday. So what does H represent? So it will represent the total amount. There's no cost involved, right? Because this is the amount of ingredient, this is the number of pastry. So it actually represents the amount of each type of ingredient needed for the pastries. So is this order 1, 2, 3, this is your H. Okay, this is the matrix H. 1, 2, 3 elements. So this must represent flour, this must represent sugar, this must represent egg. You follow this order, right? Flour, sugar, egg. Okay, this is for muffin, taro, and cookie. So you take the row, multiply column, you actually correspond to this. So H will actually, the first element in H, because that's what the question is asking, will represent the total amount of flour needed to make the pastries on Sunday.